Here's how to make a coloring book with your own character. Start in the sidebar. Open AI Coloring Book. Name the book first. This one is Bear Friends Coloring Book. Pick how many pages and the shape. Portrait prints on regular letter paper. Now turn on Character Lock. That's the switch that lets you upload a reference image. That image keeps your character the same across the whole book. Now describe the book itself. 2 best friend bears on outdoor adventures through all 4 seasons. That one line becomes a concept for each page. A campfire, a snowball fight, a walk under a big tree. Edit any concept, regenerate the ones you don't like, or add your own. When the list looks right, hit looks good. The Activity Center tracks it page by page while you go do something else. A few minutes later, it's done. Click the book to open it, and there are your pages. 8 pages, and the same 2 bears in every one. That's Character Lock doing its job. Set the paper size before you download. 8.5 by 11 is US letter. It prints at home with nothing cut off, and it's what most marketplaces expect. Turn on Reorder and drag the pages into the order you want, so the book comes out ready to print or to sell. If a drawing sits too high, open it in the editor and move it. No design software, no exporting. Then download. You get a PDF that is ready to print, ready to sell, or ready to send to a printer. Same 2 bears, 8 adventures, 1 reference image. Now upload your own character and make the book only you can make.